Your Thanksgiving forecast. Things in Dallas looking really nice. Mild and dry with mostly sunny skies, high of 72 degrees. A little farther south on I-35 down to Austin, because that wind is what evaporates that thin layer of moisture off of your skin. Here we go, Joe.
Do it, do it.
There it goes.
Oh, good. So good.
Now, you might actually have to travel just a little bit outside of Central Texas. Garner State Park on Sunday expecting 80 degrees. Depending on where you are, might depend on how many layers you want to have on this morning. But still take a couple with you, because even throughout the day, north winds, that keeps temperatures on the chilly side. This is enough to knock me off of my feet, and it's also enough to reach the bottom of most passenger vehicles. Now let's take it up to 12 inches of water. This will float most smaller cars. We're tracking freezing rain that's moving into Central Texas now. They could still see several inches, but 30 inches, I mean, can you imagine that? That is enough to flood the first floor of most homes. Jupiter and Saturn pretty close together as well. Check this out. The last time that happened was in 2000. So with that freezing rain today, again, that can lead to very hazardous conditions like this Beamer i8 and that semi-truck. Inside temperatures in 30 minutes, 129 degrees. Then break out the short sleeves once again this afternoon. Kids get home 77 degrees, where it's basically that dry slot from the clouds to the ground, and that's what causes that rain to evaporate. That's when the clouds start to form, and it kind of acts like a blanket, traps a lot of that daytime surface heating. Yeah, and if being a Griswold this time of the year is kind of your thing, we've got some nice weather to do that. So this is how we can social distance with our trick-or-treaters. Just put your little bags out.
Whose idea was that? That's a fantastic idea.
PVC pipe. And as Baylor takes on UT in Austin tomorrow, it's still going to be a little cool out there in the mid-60s for kickoff